హలో అండి, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు shikhasfab. ఈరోజు మీకు మంచి జార్జెట్ సారీస్ కలెక్షన్ని చూపిస్తున్నాను. చాలా మంది కస్టమర్ జార్జెట్ సారీస్ వీడియో చేయండి అని అడుగుతున్నాను. సో ఫైనల్గా ఈరోజు మీకోసం చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ సారీస్ అన్ని లెహరియా జార్జెట్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఈ సారీస్ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ లైట్ వెయిట్, ఈజీ టు డ్రేప్ ఉంది. మా దగ్గరగా అన్ని రకాల కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బ్రైట్ కలర్ అలాగే డార్క్ కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇవి ఫంక్షన్స్లో స్మాల్ ఒకేజన్స్కి వేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ చాలా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్లో ఉన్నాయి. ప్రైస్ రేంజ్ 1800 నుంచి 2000 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ is this what I am wearing. This is Rani pink color with parrot green. A very vibrant color combinations for functions and small occasions. This is a very bright and good color combinations. The printing is, all these sarees are block printed sarees with some self print and contrast print. This is going to be the pallu, and blouse for this will be parrot green. This is a parrot green and Rani pink combination. Second combination in this is black. This is a very trendy print. It's not the regular print. This is black with lemon yellow color saree. This is the body of the saree. Print is very trendy print, leaf print. Blouse for this is all over blouse. This is with the stripes because here we have taken floral, so we have given a combination of geometrical. This all over is the blouse, and pallu also going to be the black pallu only. So just the contrast blouse we have given. Next combination for this saree is this is also very nice combination. See, this is pista green with violet, which is also a very unique combination. The blouse in this we have given this lavender, which we have done a elephant print. Saree also you can see the body. It is completely with the geometrical print. So we have combined it with some elephant print self motifs, elephant print. The fourth combination in this is, see, this is also a very nice and unique combination. This is bright electric blue, which is very good for functions and occasions. And print, again you can see a very trendy print. We have done the overlapping pattern, mix and match leaves, and the motifs are also very stylish and contemporary. The border in this is khaki color. Whole body is going to be like all over. This is the blouse. Blouse again we have taken a little geometrical combination because everything is floral in this. And this is the border, and this is going to be the blouse. And pallu in this will be this light color pallu, khaki pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. Then next combination, again as we are keeping festivals in mind, so we are giving little bright colors only. This is the same design what we have shown earlier, electric blue, the same design, same concept. This is very trendy print. Combination is orange. This is little lemonish orange plus gray combination. So gray color is making it little subtle. And this is body is all over print. Then you see the blouse again we have given the all over print on the blouse. The same concept, we have taken a geometrical all over print on the blouse. Border is this stripes, and pallu again is going to be the gray color pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. The next color combination is methi yellow and rani pink. This is the body here, as this is we are taking it as a festive collection. So we have given a little this gold buta on this, so that it is giving a festive feel. So this gold print is there, as well as this contrast print is there. The blouse for this is, see, again this is such a nice blouse in this. We have done gold polka dots on that. This is going to be the hands, and the blouse color is this. And the pallu is again the polka dots, the bigger size of the polka dots. This is the pallu. This is also very stylish print. Next color combination, brown with mango yellow, little traditional side. This as the color combination also is little traditional. So the same way we have taken the traditional motif. This is just this is the body, a very simple print. This two color buta, this is the body. This border is yellow color. Then blouse is going to be the yellow in this, the contrast blouse. This is the blouse, and this is the border for the hands. And pallu on in this saree is going to be the this yellow color. This is the pallu of the sari, geometrical. Next, again, this is a festive color combination, and everyone likes these kind of colors. This is pure red, bright red plus bottle green, a very traditional color. As this is a traditional color, so print also we have taken a little traditional and enhanced with gold print. So this whole sari is going to be the cross lines, this traditional print plus this buta. This is the border of this, and pallu for this sari is this bottle green, again with the traditional motifs, and the blouse for this sari is bottle green. This is the blouse with the hands. So all these colors we have in this, many more colors. You can visit our stores. We are situated Raghavendra Colony, Kondapur, Hyderabad. We have 2 stores here. So for more collection, you can visit our website as well as in the stores. So you will get almost 30 to 40 colors in this. Thank you.